Hey YayMail users! Just a quick update for those of you who watched our last video about setting up global headers and footers in YayMail. We've heard your feedback, and we're excited to roll out a brand new UI for the global header and footer settings. Now it's cleaner, faster, and easier to navigate, making your email customization experience even smoother. Previously, you had to manually add the global header and footer to every single email template over and over again. Yeah, we know. It was time-consuming. Well, not anymore. With our latest update, you can now set your global header and footer just once and apply it across all your templates instantly. Let's see. Also configure the global header and footer on this dashboard. Yeah, we have it available here. Can you see this toggle button? Flip this toggle and boom, it's live across all your email templates. If you need to make an exception, no problem. You can turn off the global header or footer for specific templates. For example, in the reset email template here, we don't want to display the global header and footer, so we customize them individually right inside the Click to Edit settings. Yeah, done. It's the perfect balance of consistency and flexibility, so your branding stays strong while your emails stay relevant. Update YayMail today and simplify your workflow with a smarter global header and footer builder. One toggle, all templates, way less work.